In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to switch between tabs in Google Chrome using keyboard shortcut keys. Navigating through multiple tabs efficiently is an essential skill when it comes to enhancing your productivity, particularly for those of us who juggle many tasks and need quick access to the information spread across various tabs. Whether you're researching, working on a project, or simply keeping several sites open for leisure, these shortcuts will make your browsing experience more fluid and effortless. First, let's talk about moving to the next tab in your lineup. If you want to jump forward by one tab, simply press Ctrl along with Tab on your keyboard. Another alternative to achieve this is combining Ctrl with Page Down. Both these shortcuts perform the same function by advancing you to the next open tab in your browser. It's a nifty way to skim through your tabs swiftly without reaching for your mouse. Now, when you need to navigate backward, we have a couple of other shortcuts at our disposal. To move to the previous tab, hold down Ctrl and Shift along with the Tab key. Much like before, you can also use Ctrl plus Page Up to achieve the same result. These combinations allow you to seamlessly backtrack through your open tabs, which becomes particularly useful when you're trying to reference something in a tab you visited earlier, or when you want to move back and forth between two tabs without breaking the flow. Moving on from sequential navigation, you might often want to jump directly to a specific tab without browsing through others. For this scenario, Google Chrome provides an efficient shortcut, Ctrl, along with any number from 1 to 8. By pressing Ctrl with any of these numbers, you can instantly switch to the respective tab. For instance, Ctrl plus 1 will take you directly to the first tab, Ctrl plus 2 to the second, and so on. This can save you a significant amount of time, making it ideal for users who keep a specific arrangement in their tabs for quick access. Lastly, let's say you want to quickly hop to the last tab in your session. There's a shortcut for that as well. By pressing Ctrl and 9, you can instantly go to the last tab, no matter how many tabs you have open. It's especially convenient when your most recent tab holds updated information or holds the next segment of your workflow. With these shortcuts in mind, switching between tabs in Google Chrome becomes remarkably simple and efficient. By spending less time managing your browser and more time focusing on your tasks, you can boost both productivity and enjoyment. Remember to practice these shortcuts frequently so they become second nature and you can navigate your browser like a pro. Thanks for watching and happy browsing.